Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal, and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 26. Problem number 126. On dividing a number by 999. The quotient is 366 and the remainder is 103. Find the number. So here if we are considering on dividing a number by 999. So this will be considered as divisor. And this is the quotient. 366 is the quotient and 103 is the remainder. We know the formula. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the formula. Here we know the divisor, quotient as well as remainder. Then we need to find the dividend. So dividend is equal to divisor is 999 into quotient is 366 plus remainder is 103. So if you are solving this one, we will get the answer 365737. So the dividend is 365737. So the correct answer is option C, 365737. Problem number 127. On dividing 4150 by a certain number, the quotient is 55 and the remainder is 25. The divisor is. So here on dividing 4150, this 4150 is nothing but dividend. Okay. This certain number, this number is nothing but the divisor. And the quotient they have given and the remainder they have given. We will implement with our formula. So the formula is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we don't know the divisor. So dividend we know here, that is 4150. And divisor we don't know, quotient is 55 plus remainder is 25. Okay. So this we will take it other side. 4150 minus 25 is divisor into 55. So divisor into 55 is 4125. Divide this by 55 to get the divisor. So divisor is 4125 divided by 55. And this is 11 times. This is 825. And this one is 75. So the answer is 75. So the divisor is 75. So the correct answer is option C, 75. Next, problem number 128. A number when divided by the sum of 555 and 445. So the divisor is sum of 555 and 445. This is nothing but the divisor. Okay. Gives 2 times of their difference as quotient and 30 as remainder. So we need to find the difference between these two numbers. And if you are multiplying these two numbers by 2 times, we will get the quotient. And the remainder they have given. Okay. The same formula we need to implement. So dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So divisor is sum of these two numbers. That is 555 plus 445. So this is nothing but divisor. Into quotient if we are considering, we need to find the difference between these two numbers. So the difference between these two numbers is nothing but 110. Okay. So 110 into 2 times is nothing but the quotient. So 2 into 110. So here if you are considering 555 minus 445, the difference what you will get? 110. Okay. So 110 into 2 is nothing but the quotient. Plus remainder is nothing but 30. So we will get here, this is 1000 plus 2 into 110, 220 plus, sorry, this is multiplication, okay, plus 30. So we will get it as 220000 plus 30. So the answer is 220030. So the correct answer is option D, 220030. Next, problem number 129. A 4-digit number divisible by 7 becomes divisible by 3. That is, a 4-digit number need to divide by 7 and that should be divisible by 3. When 10 is added to it, okay, so when you are adding 10 to it, that should be divisible by 3. The largest such number is, so we need to concentrate the largest number, okay. So we will consider in this 4 options only, we will consider the largest number first. So the largest number is 9996. So the largest number we will consider here is 9996. And this number we should divide by 7. Okay. So divide by 7. We need to check it whether it is divisible by 7. Yes, it is divisible by 7. When 10 is added to it, it should be divisible by 3. So 9996 plus 10. In the sense, we will get it as 10006. And we need to check whether it is divisible by 3. But here if we are considering, we need to find the largest such number, a 4-digit number. Here they have given a 4-digit number. We need to find the largest such number. But here if we are considering, this is a 5-digit number. So we cannot able to take this option. This is wrong. So consider the next largest number, that is 9989. So 9989 we will consider. Check whether it is divisible by 7. Yes, it is divisible by 7. When 10 is added to it, that is 9989 plus 10 is 9999. Okay. Check whether it is divisible by 3. Yes, this is divisible by 3. Okay. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So, the largest number is nothing but 9989 is the answer. So, the correct answer is option C, 9989. Next, problem number 130. A number when divided by 114 leaves remainder as 21. If the same number is divided by 19, then what will be the remainder? We need to implement the formula. So the formula is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So dividend. So we don't know the dividend. Divided by 114. This is nothing but the divisor. Okay. So we are getting the remainder, this one. Quotient also they have not given. Okay. So here divisor is 114 into quotient we don't know plus remainder is 21. If the same number, so if you are solving this one, we will get the dividend. Okay. So 114 into Q plus 21. If you are solving this one, we will get the dividend. If the same number is divided by 19. So this is the dividend we will consider. If the same number is divided by 19, so 114 into Q plus 21 divided by 19. So take in terms of 19. This numerator take in terms of 19. So if you are considering here, 114 is nothing but 19 into 6 times into quotient. Okay. Plus 21 is nothing but we will make it as 19 plus 2. Okay. Divided by 19. So here take 19 outside. 6Q plus this 19 we will take outside. So this is 1 plus 2. So this is nothing but 6Q plus 1 plus 2. And this 6Q plus 1 we will consider it as quotient, total quotient. Okay, and this 2 will be considered as the remainder. So when it is divided by 19, we will get the remainder as 2. So the correct answer is option B. The remainder is 2. Thank you for watching this video.